What do you know about serotonin? Do you mean the happiness hormone? Exactly. That's it. But do you know where it comes from? The colon. Yes, the colon produces 90% of our body's serotonin. It also absorbs vitamins, minerals, and water from what we eat and drink. On top of that, it serves as a shield for our immune system. Because of its importance, and seeing so many people suffering from colon-related issues without finding a solution, we're presenting you with a magical plan today. Enjoy it. Welcome to Bimaristan Channel, your health and beauty resort. Our bodies constantly communicate through sensory signals, especially when there's discomfort or pain, and the colon is no exception. It sends us distress signals. Before its problems escalate and become harder to solve, we must take care of it to enjoy our lives. Common symptoms of colon problems include constipation, which varies in severity, abdominal cramps and gas, sometimes diarrhea. What many people don't realize are signs of colon issues: brain fog and difficulty concentrating, mood swings, irritability, and even depression. Unexplained headaches, unrelated to neck issues, blood pressure, or vision problems. Sudden coldness in the extremities. Fatigue, heaviness, and laziness. Sudden drowsiness without effort or insufficient sleep. Weight fluctuations, either gaining or losing weight. Sinus allergies and frequent sneezing without having a flu or strong smells. Bad breath coming from your gut. Mouth sores or blisters. Skin issues like eczema or psoriasis. Chalazion and stye. Autoimmune diseases or fibromyalgia. Low libido and performance. All of this, yes, all of this. These aren't just random ailments. They're your colon SOS signals. Now, do you understand how colon health is vital for our overall health and happiness? Look at these symptoms and ask yourself, have you experienced any before? Imagine how much better your health will be after following our plan. Simple, yet effective steps leading to a better life. Enjoy the episode. The first step to solving any issue is understanding its cause, so you can address it effectively and achieve stable results. Most causes are linked to our diet, habits, and daily life, including stress and anxiety, causes colon spasms, unhealthy eating habits like skipping meals, overeating, eating quickly or under stress or swallowing food without chewing, eating sweets right after meals, or eating right before bed. Foods that many are accustomed to but don't realize how harmful they are. Processed and fast food, or fried with hydrogenated oils, even homemade ones. Refined sugar in desserts, pastries, chocolate, ice cream, soda, or even tea. Gluten in bread, baked goods, pizza, and pasta is often modified with additives. Dairy products due to lactose intolerance. Spicy foods, hot peppers, and pickles. Excessive coffee consumption. If you're wondering, if I cut all that, what can I eat? Let me tell you, if you don't start finding healthier alternatives now, you'll continue to feel unwell, or even worse. But if you believe these foods are fine, and not the cause, this video isn't for you. Don't watch, and keep going as you are. For everyone who cares about the health and wellness of themselves and their family, this is your chance for a healthy, happy life. We'll suggest better alternatives and dedicate an episode to healthy meals. Other causes include antibiotics that kill both bad and good gut bacteria, hypothyroidism, which slows down intestinal and colon movement, low digestive enzymes or stomach acidity. Watch our playlist for the digestive system and weight management, deficiency in vitamins and minerals like D, B12, zinc, or magnesium, lack of movement or exercising, smoking or alcohol consumption, claiming they have no effect. Finally, the simplest yet most overlooked point is not drinking enough water. Now that we've mapped the battlefield and identified the causes, here's your proven action plan. And before taking any step, always pray God to bless you with the healing. Drink enough water. Most of us think we drink enough, but we don't. This is especially true for the elderly or those with diabetes or prostate issues who often avoid drinking to reduce bathroom trips. The solution: distribute water intake throughout the day, 1 cup every hour, instead of drinking a lot at once. Monitor your intake daily and keep a bottle nearby. Prepare healthy foods in advance. It's better to have alternatives ready than to say there's nothing to eat. Great options for energy and colon health include sweet potatoes, not regular potatoes, because they are high in starch and hard on the colon. Sweet potatoes can be prepared in savory dishes and go well with protein, white rice or basmati, preferably steamed. Bone broth, which coats the colon lining, a keto or carnivore diet under the guidance of a nutritionist. Watch our episode, Top Foods for Wellness, Energy, and Longevity. Natural colon cleansing. Use a blend of herbs like fennel, anise, mint, cumin, dill seeds, chamomile, and sage. 20 grams of each herb. Grind them and brew 1 teaspoon in hot water, like tea. Sweeten with a small spoon of honey if desired. Best timing for herbal cleansing. Morning on an empty stomach. Before bed allows the body to detox overnight and may support gentle elimination in the morning. If you prefer ready-made remedies, activated charcoal can be an option, but avoid long-term use as it may interfere with nutrient absorption. Take them at least 3 hours apart from other medications to prevent interaction. Always consult your doctor to ensure it's safe for your health condition. And make sure you have restroom access afterward. Final steps for a healthier life. Take digestive enzymes, take probiotics, and eat fermented foods. Get medical lab tests for deficiencies and digestive health. Get sunlight for vitamin D and serotonin boost, and take it as a supplement if deficient. Chew your food thoroughly. Practice breathing exercises and relax your abdominal muscles. Stay active daily, whether through walking or exercise. Stretch or practice yoga. Take magnesium supplements. Enjoy massage or reflexology sessions. That concludes today's episode. We wish you better health and a better life. Thank you for liking and sharing this information, and let us know your thoughts. See you in future episodes.